It's on the way to Pigeon Bay in Ikaroa. Cheeky wee walk this morning at the Hay Reserve while I'm waiting for the rest of the campers to get up and start the day. This area was gifted to the Department of Conservation by James Browning. And see here, there is a sign, which is what we were talking about yesterday on yesterday's walk, for things you can spot potentially in the reserve, which would be good for the kids, keep them occupied. It's a short walk. Watch suggested a long run this morning when I turned it on, but it got a short loop walk at the Hay Reserve. Nice flat, easy walk, some impressive trees to have a look at, a hole in the bottom of a tree to try and figure out what lived there. But it's a nice wee walk. Spent more time driving than I did walking, but quick, easy walk, break up the trip on the way to Pigeon Bay, or just drive over for a nice, simple, easy walk.